Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install a quad-tip WRX exhaust on an SH Forester XT. The factory Forester exhaust is ugly and silent, it's garbage. You'll need a catback exhaust from a 2011 to 2014 WRX sedan. I picked one up from Gumtree for $100, it's in near new condition. You'll also need 4 Kartboy 12mm XL exhaust hangers so that the new exhaust tips don't touch the rear bumper. Start by undoing the 2 bolts on the 2 muffler flanges. Each muffler has 2 exhaust hangers. Spray these with WD-40 and slide the mufflers off the hangers. Remove the old hangers from under the car. Once both mufflers are off, it'll look like this. Undo the 2 spring bolts that connect the mid-pipe to the cat. Keep the ring gasket and bolts. You'll need these to install the new exhaust. Undo the middle exhaust hanger using the WD-40 method. Remove the exhaust system. The crusty old system is out. Take the WRX mid-pipe and install the ring gasket between the cat and the mid-pipe. Tighten the 2 spring bolts and slip the middle hanger onto the exhaust. Once the mid-pipe is on, it should look like this. Take one of the new mufflers and slip a Kartboy hanger on each of the 2 metal hangers, one front and one rear. Carefully hang the muffler on the standard hangers underneath the car and bolt the muffler up to the mid-pipe. Repeat for the other side. And that's how you install a WRX exhaust on an SH Forester XT. I managed to sell the crusty old system for $50 on Gumtree, so this exhaust upgrade only cost me $124.